In this video, you'll learn how to sign up for a new account on Perplexity AI. By following these steps, you will successfully create an account and be ready to use the platform's features. Begin by navigating to the Perplexity AI website. Once the homepage loads, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You will see a button labeled Sign In. Click on this button to initiate the sign up process. After clicking the Sign In button, a pop-up window will appear. In this window, you will see the option to choose Sign Up if you do not already have an account. Select this option to proceed with creating your new account. Next, you will be presented with several sign-up methods. You can choose to sign up using your email and password, or you may opt for a quicker registration through Google or Microsoft. Select the method that best suits. If you choose the email and password option, you will need to enter your email address and create a password. Make sure your password meets any specified criteria for security. Once you have filled in the required information, proceed to click the appropriate button to continue. In some cases, you may be prompted to complete a verification step. This could involve clicking a link sent to your email or completing a CAPTCHA to confirm that you are not a robot. Follow the instructions provided to complete this verification process. After successfully signing up and completing any verification, you will be logged into your new Perplexity AI account. At this point, you can start exploring and utilizing the features available on the platform. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.